Okay, this is my 02 Acura RSX Type S. Painted wheels. A-spec springs. D-badge except for the Acura, because I'm not going to do the Honda thing like everyone else. Skunk2 exhaust. Six-speed, of course. Neighbors don't like that very long. I should do that under the hood. Okay. AEM V2 intake. Type R intake manifolds. Not yet. Strup header. No cat. Hondata tune. And that's about her. Gay Eclipse next door. Another Gay Eclipse. Smoke them both. With non-turbo. It's fun, isn't it? Hear that roar. Give a little gas. Just for a sec. To like 1,000 RPMs. Keep going. Not that much, just I'm saying do it again. Yeah, it's pretty deep for a Honda. Here's Fat Boy, he's a recorder of all my other videos.